Hello and welcome to another VideoTour.ai tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a real estate video using your own AI avatar and your own voice. This works perfectly for Instagram, Reels, TikTok, and any social network. We'll go step by step using a real example so you can easily recreate the same process for your own listings. Alright, so let's get started. First, we'll create a new video tour. I'm going to upload a set of property photos. You don't need to worry about the order. The AI automatically sorts the photos for you. If you prefer, you can still reorder them manually, but for this tutorial, we'll let the AI handle everything. I'll keep the automatic music enabled for now. We can change it later if needed. I'll choose a vertical format since this video is meant for social media. I'll also enable captions, which are very important for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. We have 12 photos in total. Normally, I could apply AI animations right away, but for this example, I'll remove all animations. We'll add them manually later together with the AI avatar. Now I launch the video creation. At this point, we just wait for the first version of the video to be ready. Alright, here is the first version of the video. For now, there is no AI motion, only simple transitions. This is completely normal. We'll enhance everything step by step. Just a quick note, all the photos you see here are AI generated. The avatar we'll use is also AI generated, just for this demo. Now we can add the AI avatar. Click on Add AI Avatar. Here, you upload your profile photo. Once uploaded, it's saved in your library, so you can reuse it later. Next, we add a hook. Hooks are limited to 100 characters. You can either write your own or choose one of the AI suggestions. For this example, I'll pick one of the suggested hooks. Now we choose the voice. You can use a default voice, or you can clone your own voice by recording a short sample. For this demo, I'll select a default voice. Once everything is ready, I launch the avatar. I'll also add an avatar to the entrance shot. There's one important step we skipped earlier, adding the property information. This step is very important. When you add property details, the AI generates better hooks, captions, and voice lines. So let's open the Property Info tab. I'll paste the property description here. Then I click on Autofill. The AI automatically extracts the key information from the description. Even though this is demo data, the process is exactly the same. Now let's go back to the video. We already have our first avatar clip. Let's preview it.
Ready to fall in love with your next home?
That works well for an intro.
Step inside and feel right at home from the very first moment.
For the living room, I'll generate a new hook. Now that the property info is added, the AI understands the context much better, including the address. For this scene, instead of an avatar, I'll add a cinematic motion. I'll choose a pivot right animation in premium quality. For the bedroom, I'll add another avatar. Simple zoom-in motion. For the exterior, I'll apply a day-to-night AI transition. And for the final image, I'll add a call to action. This home won't last. Click below and book your visit today. Now I generate the final avatar. While everything finishes processing, let's preview the video.
Imagine hosting friends in this stunning modern kitchen and dining area.
Once all the AI clips are ready, I click on Apply Changes. VideoTour.ai renders the final version of the video. This usually takes just a few minutes. And here we are. The final video is ready.
Ready to fall in love with your next home? Step inside and feel right at home from the very first moment. This living room is the heart of Maplewood Drive. Bright, open, and ready for you. Can you picture yourself unwinding here every night? Imagine hosting friends in this stunning modern kitchen and dining area. This home won't last. Click below and book your visit today.
You'll notice a few important things. The AI avatar blends naturally into the video. Captions are perfectly synced. The cinematic motion keeps the video engaging, and the music automatically lowers when the avatar speaks, then comes back up during cinematic scenes. And that's it for this tutorial. You now know how to create a real estate video using photos, add your own AI avatar, use your own voice, customize motion and hooks, and export a video ready for social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next VideoTour.ai tutorial.